Hello everybody, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor 4x4. And that is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the tow hooks up front and all sorts of LEDs on this. And if any of the LEDs appear to be flickering, that's the refresh rate of my camera that's doing that. Okay, and you see that you have alloy wheels, fixed running boards, power sliding back window, dual exhaust, and you got a tow package. You also have a spray-on bed liner and a bed cover. You also have the step as well. So there's that. I'll go ahead and take that down so that it doesn't throw an alarm when we hop in, and try to put a backup camera up. Okay, let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have black pinhole leather seats and that additional gray sporting. And it does have a little bit of black fabric accents in here as well. Okay, and you see that these rear seats are heated and they have a 110 volt outlet back here along with a 12 volt. You also have dual panoramic sunroofs. We've got a keypad, which on mine I use all the time, and then right here is your VIN. And I will upload some still photos, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. So you have 3 driver presets, and it has 35,227 miles on it. You do have paddle shifters and your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, and then you've got your steering wheel feel. And then you got your stereo and your other modes, as well as push to talk, push button start, 2 and 4 wheel drive, trailering, and all of your trailering settings are all in one place. Very cool. I know that sounds small, but it's a big deal to me. Okay, so right here, there are 2 USB ports for phone charging. You have Ford Select Shift, and you have a carbon fiber shifter. Down here you have your key fob, and you see that you do have remote start. You also see that you have heated or cooled front seats, your other comfort controls, and then your stereo controls and your infotainment. This is all touch screen. You see that you have your heated steering wheel right here. Okay, and then your audio. That all sounds good, which the sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And here's your navigation as well. Then your apps and settings. You see it does have quite a quick computer in the stereo. And then another 110 volt outlet here, as well as a 12 volt. Coming up top, you have your glasses holder, map reading light, and then you have your upfitter switches and your dual panoramic sunroof. That about does it for this Raptor on the interior. See, you also have carbon fiber inserts in the doors as well. This vehicle does have a branded title. If you want more information on that, you'll need to talk to your salesperson. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.